We've been seeing some storms popping up, and some of these have led to flash flooding, and we do have a flash flood warning that is in effect for parts of Allegheny County. Now, this is north of downtown Pittsburgh, and it includes Oakmont to Dorseyville to West Deer. This goes all the way out to Harrison Township. New Kensington is included in this, and McCandless is as well, but the heavy rain is ending there. We've seen some incredible amounts of rainfall to the tune of almost 2 inches come down by radar estimates, and there's still some heavy rain in this area, and that could easily trigger some flooding with the way things have been going. So keep in mind that there is a potential for water to come up quickly, and if you do come across water on the roadways, turn around, don't drown. You don't want to drive through that. Those storms extend up north. You can see outside of Cranberry Mars, Evans City, almost up to Butler to Muddy Creek. We've been seeing a lot of lightning and thunder there and some incredibly heavy rain. Also some heavy rain just north of Pittsburgh, outside of that flash flood warning area. Parkview seeing some intense rainfall right now. This is going to be moving towards O'Hara, and this is moving out of Millvale and continuing to move off to the east. One thing I wanted to show you here, this is something cool, at least for weather nerds like me. These storms up here in Lawrence County created a wind gust, and as that gust came towards Allegheny County, it popped, or I should say Butler County, it popped up that thunderstorm. So it kind of created a mini cold front that helped initiate some storms down the line. And that's what we're going to see with these. If they get gusty enough and blow out those cooler those cooler winds, that could trigger some additional thunderstorms. We're seeing a little bit of activity along the West Virginia PA line as you get down into Greene County, but that seems to be losing a little steam. So our flash flood warning in effect until 9 p.m. Then we have a flash flood watch in Somerset County till midnight. It's very warm. Most of our temperatures in the mid to upper 80s, and muggy too, so it feels closer to 90, and a lot of people out on the Three Rivers with the boats, and this activity is just to the north, so we've been lucking out so far downtown. 85 degrees in the city, westerly winds 8 miles per hour. Our dew point is all the way up to 70. It feels nasty outside when you factor in that humidity, and that's not changing tonight, that's not changing tomorrow, and that's not changing for much of the weekend. Through tonight, we are looking at those pop-up shower and thunderstorm chances till about 9, 10 o'clock, and then we lose the heat of the day and we're going to lose those storms. So just keep in mind there's still that chance for some pop-ups to develop over the next couple hours. Now, Pittsburgh is going to see this shower activity really come to an end by the time we get to midnight. We have a quiet night, a muggy night, a warm night. Then tomorrow, showers and thunderstorms redevelop in the heat of the day. This is going to be the case on Saturday. And Sunday, we could see a few showers and storms, and then we start to change things up just a little bit. So tonight, we're looking at 70 degrees, a muggy night, and it's going to be one of those nights with those earlier showers and thunderstorms coming to an end. Tomorrow, quiet to start, get those temperatures back into the upper 80s. With those warmer temperatures and muggy conditions, showers and thunderstorms will start popping up. Saturday, same deal. Sunday, a few storms around. However, I think we're going to start to dry it up a little bit. And Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, while we keep the warm temperatures, we're going to drop the humidity just a little bit. It's just a touchy mugginess in the air, but we'll drop that humidity enough where I think we might be able to erase the shower and thunderstorm chances for a few days. So it's a nice summer-like feel for the beginning of next week. And remember, you can track these storms that are outside right now. If any alert should happen for your area, it'll get sent right to your mobile device with the KDKA weather app. Great tool to have when there's nasty weather nearby. Just search CBS Pittsburgh in the App Store and Google Play.